This is TechCrunch.
OpenAI has launched a new product to help enterprises navigate the world of AI agents, focusing on agent management as critical infrastructure for enterprise AI adoption. On Thursday, AI giant OpenAI announced the launch of OpenAI Frontier, an end-to-end platform designed for enterprises to build and manage AI agents. It's an open platform, which means users can manage agents built outside of OpenAI too. Frontier users can program AI agents to connect to external data and applications, which allows them to execute tasks far outside of the OpenAI platform. Users can also limit and manage what these agents have access to, and what they can do, of course. OpenAI said Frontier was designed to work the same way companies manage human employees. Frontier offers an onboarding process for agents and a feedback loop that is meant to help them improve over time, the same way a review might help an employee. OpenAI touted enterprises, including HP, Oracle, State Farm, and Uber as customers. But Frontier is currently only available to a limited number of users, with plans to roll out more generally in the coming months. The company would not disclose pricing details in a press briefing earlier this week, according to reporting from The Verge. OpenAI declined to comment on pricing. Agent management products become table stakes since AI agents rose to prominence in 2024. Salesforce has arguably the best-known such product, Agentforce, which the company launched in the fall of 2024. Others have quickly followed. LangChain is a notable player in the space that was founded in 2022 and has raised more than $150 million in venture capital. Crew AI is a smaller upstart that has raised more than $20 million in venture capital. In December, global research and advisory firm Gartner released a report about this type of software and called agent management platforms both the most valuable real estate in AI and a necessary piece of infrastructure for enterprises to adopt AI. It's not surprising that OpenAI would release this platform early this year, as the company has made it clear that enterprise adoption is one of its main focus areas for this year. The company has also announced two notable enterprise deals this year with ServiceNow and Snowflake. Still, if OpenAI wants to be a meaningful player in the enterprise space, offering a product like Frontier is a promising step. On Thursday, Anthropic released the latest version of Opus, its most advanced model and a particularly important model for Claude Code. Opus 4.5 was only released last November, and with 4.6, the company has sought to broaden its model's capabilities and appeal, allowing for a greater variety of uses and customers. Perhaps the most notable addition to the newest version of Opus is the inclusion of what the company calls agent teams of agents that can split larger tasks into segmented jobs. Instead of one agent working through tasks sequentially, you can split the work across multiple agents, each owning its piece and coordinating directly with the others, the company says. Scott White, head of product at Anthropic, compared the new feature to having a talented team of humans working for you, noting that the segmenting of agent responsibilities allows them to coordinate in parallel faster. The agent teams are currently available in a research preview for API users and subscribers. Opus 4.6 also comes with a longer context window, meaning that the program has a capacity to recall a greater amount of information per user session. The new model offers 1 million tokens of context, which is comparable to what the company's Sonnet currently offers. Those context windows allow for work involving larger code bases and can also allow for the processing of larger documents, the company says. The new version of Opus also integrates Claude directly into PowerPoint as an accessible side panel. This is a step up from PowerPoint's previous integration with the chatbot. Previously, a user could tell Claude to create a PowerPoint deck, but the file would then have to be transferred to PowerPoint to edit the presentation, White said. Now the presentation can be crafted within PowerPoint, with direct help from Claude. White told TechCrunch that Opus has evolved from a model that was highly capable in one particular domain, software development, into a program that could be really useful for a broader set of knowledge workers. That's it from TechCrunch. For more stories like these, go to TechCrunch.com.